To isolate this image, I'll use the blend if trick. First of all, I'll check which channel is the most contrasted with the background, red, green or blue. It's blue, so I'll go back to the composite image, copy it to another layer, fill the underlying layer with black, and click twice on the top layer in the Layers tab. There I'll switch Blend If to blue and pull the rightmost slider to the left until it fills the background with black, not all, just around the keychain. 247 does the trick. Then I'll grab the eraser and erase the rest of the background. Then I'll fill the bottom layer with white, flatten the image, and use the history brush to restore the shadow around the feet. Look, the fur is still there, you can see every strand clearly. Isn't it a great result for something that was done in under 2 minutes?